Hello everyone, this is NAI here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create this rotating ball GIF in GIMP. Alright, so to get started we go to File New and we create a new composition. We give it 1000 by 1000 pixels in dimensions, and we click on OK. And then we're going to add horizontal and vertical center guides to the composition. So you go to Image, Guides, New Guide by %, and we add horizontal and vertical center guides. And then we're going to start creating the animation. The way that GIF animations work in GIMP is that they play from the bottom to the top layer, and each of the layers constitute a separate frame in the animation. Alright, so first we're going to create the first frame with the 5 balls. So in order to do that, we take the ellipse tool, and while holding shift, we go ahead and we create an ellipse of about 150 by 150 pixels in dimensions. And then we take the ellipse and we center it along the vertical axis like this. So this is going to be our first ball. So first we go ahead and we create a new layer. We call it circle, and we set the background to transparency, and we click on OK. And then we're going to set the color to the circle. So we select the foreground color, and we set the color as we want it. I will set it to a dark blue, and we click on OK. And then to set the color, there are two ways. Either we go to Edit, Fill with Foreground Color, or we can take the foreground color and drag it to the circle, and this sets the color to the circle. And then we press on Ctrl-Shift-A to unselect the circle. And then we're going to duplicate and rotate it to have 5 circles overall. But before we do that, we go to Layer, Crop to Content. So this crops the layer to the content. So now the layer is limited to the circle. And then we're going to duplicate and rotate it. So we press on Ctrl-Shift-D 4 times to have 5 circles overall. And then we're going to rotate each of the circles by 45 degrees increments. So we take the Rotate tool, and we select the first circle. We set the rotation center in the middle of the composition. We set the rotation angle to 45 degrees, and we click on Rotate. And then we select the second circle. We set the rotation center in the middle of the composition. We set the angle to 90 degrees, and we click on Rotate. And then we select the third circle. We set the rotation center in the middle of the composition. We set the angle to 135, and we click on Rotate. And then we select the fourth circle. We set the rotation angle to 180, and we click on Rotate. Alright, so now we have rotated all of the circles as we want them. The next step is going to be to lower the opacity of some of the circles to give it this fading effect. So we're going to lower the opacity of the circles by 5 degrees increments. So we leave this circle at 100% opacity. And this one, we're going to set it at 95%. And then we select this one, and we set it to 90%. And then we set this one to 85. And the last one at 80% opacity. So now we have all the circles as we want them. The next step is going to be to merge them together into one layer. So we select the circle at the top, and we go ahead and we merge them all together into one layer. So this is going to be the first frame of the animation. And so we're going to need 8 frames overall. So we press on Ctrl D 7 times to have 8 frames overall. And then we're going to rotate each of the frames by 45 degrees increments. So we take the rotate tool, leave the layer at the bottom as it is, and then we select the second one and we rotate it by 45 degrees, and we click on rotate. And then we select the third one, we rotate it by 90 degrees, and we click on rotate. And then we select the fourth one, we rotate it by 135 degrees. And then we select the fifth one, and we rotate it by 180. We select the sixth one, and we rotate it by 225. And then the seventh one, we rotate it by 270. And then the last one, we can set negative values, so we rotate it by -45. Alright, so now we have rotated each of the layers as we want them. The next step is going to be to play the animation to make sure that it is as we want it. So in order to do that, we go to Filters, Animation, Playback. So this brings this animation dialog box. I will set the speed to 0.5 so that it doesn't play too fast. And then we can play the animation. And if we are satisfied with it, then we can export it. So in order to export it, we go to File, Export As. And it is important that we set the file ending to .gif. And we click on Export. Here we click on Crop. Here we check on As Animation and Loop Forever. And here, Delay Between Frames, we'll set it to 300 so that it doesn't play too fast. And then we'll click on Export. And then we can play the GIF to see if we like it, to make sure that it plays at the speed that we want it. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You'll learn how to create a rotating ball GIF in GIMP. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!